Hi guys, this is Naren. This tutorial I am going to discuss about embedded system tutorial for beginners. This is my introduction video about embedded system. So what is embedded system? An embedded system is a small system in a big computer system, or an embedded system is a computer system which contains a processor or peripherals, or an embedded system is a combination of both the software and hardware. So embedded system is a small system in a big computer system means we have a big computer system means in that we have a small systems that will the systems will work depending upon the program given by the programmer or what we wrote on the controller. So if we give us some instruction in the program, it will act depend upon that program only. So we call it as a embedded systems. So in a what is the hardware and software combination means hardware is our controller and software is we are programming that controller, right? We call it as a software, or we are programming that OS, we call it as software. This combination of both the software and hardware we call it as a embedded system. This is the definition of the embedded system. So which qualification required for learning embedded system? So actually if you need to learn this embedded system, you need to know about electronics and microcontroller and basic knowledge, and you need the basic knowledge in this programming language, at least one knowledge. So if who are already learned this diploma, who are already studied this diploma, EC, triple E, CSE, IT or mechanical, or from the BTech same branches or any other graduation courses, or who has the knowledge on this microcontroller and programming language, they can easily understand this embedded system course. So which subject knowledge required to learn this embedded system? I have already told you, right? For learning this embedded system we need the basic knowledge in electronics and mandatory knowledge in microcontroller and mandatory knowledge in one programming language. In my tutorial I am using C programming and 805 microcontroller because this is for beginners, right? I am starting with the basic controller. It is a 805 microcontroller and one of the programming language, and mostly used programming language is a C language. Who have the basic knowledge on these two concepts, they can easily understand my upcoming videos, and I will explain these 8051 and C language in my upcoming videos also. No worry about the things. And before going to learn about embedded system, we need to know what is the exact use of the embedded system and where we use this embedded system and what are the applications of embedded system. Then only we can understand this embedded system only, perfectly. So what are the applications for embedded system? Actually we will use this embedded system for industrial applications. We have a security and maintenance systems, right? Like temperature controlling and some of the security systems, and we have a thumb, and these are the fingerprint sensors, all those things there. In that industrial purpose we will use this embedded system. And automobile industry, in automobile industry we have a advanced cars, right? Self parking cars and self-driving cars and door locking system for the vehicles, and these are the signal lights and sensor based some of the vehicles is there, right? In that automobiles we will use this embedded system. And automation, home automation, mostly sensor homes. If we enter into home, it will door will automatically opening, and temperature also controlling, and if we are 10 kilometers distance from the home, our AC will on. These are the home automation tools and home automation embedded system gadgets. In this area also we will use this embedded system. And in medical present days we have a sanitizer, right? Spreading the sanitizer machines and advanced surgery machines and advanced some of the radio or laser lights machines we have, right? In that machines also we will use this embedded system. And satellites and radar also we will use. We have a Chandrayaan 2 and rover and Vikram. We have already seen this is in our ISRO and all those things. So in that big of the satellites and big of the equipments also we have a small embedded systems gadgets also there. So we will use there also in this embedded system. In military and navy also we will use this embedded system. In military we have a weapons, right? Defense weapons and some of the weapons, intelligence weapons, we will use this embedded system. So these are the applications of embedded system. In my upcoming videos I will explain more details about this embedded system. I will give the more tutorials about this embedded system. If you like this video, please click on that like symbol, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do share this video with your friends. Okay friends, thank you.